Hi, my name is Danielle and today we're going to be making candy cane cookies. The ingredients we need today is baking powder, some flour, sugar, vanilla essence, 2 eggs, candy canes of course, some butter and some food colouring. First thing we need to do is mix the butter and sugar together. Next thing you want to do is mix the eggs one by one. Now you're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now you're going to put your flour and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Now that we have a soft dough, we're going to split it in half. Now we're going to colour the doughs. Now we're going to start crushing up our candy canes. Now you're going to roll it. Now that you've made it into a log, you're going to sprinkle it with some more candy cane. Now we're going to put it in the fridge. Now you're going to keep it in the fridge for half an hour. Now that it's chilled, we're going to slice up the cookies and put them on the tray. Now we're going to put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a happy Christmas. Bye.